Welcome to Math Nexus, where numbers speak and knowledge grows. This genius personality of the world said that algebra is a universal art that applies to all people for all time. The word algebra comes from Arabic word al-jabr, which means the reunion of broken parts. This word appeared in the book Hisabul Jabr wal Muqabla, written by Muhammad ibn Musa al Khwarizmi. He is known as the father of algebra. Definition: algebra is the branch of mathematics which is related to the mathematical operations, variables, constant, as well as concept of equations and algebraic structure. Algebraic expression: the expression in which English alphabet along with numbers are used is called algebraic expression. An expression which connects variables and constants by mathematical operations like plus, minus, multiplication, and division is called an algebraic expression. For example, 2x plus y plus 1, where x and y are called variables, 1 is called constant, and 2 is called coefficient. Algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is a combination of variables, constants, coefficients, exponents, and symbols of operations like plus, minus, multiplication, and division. For example, 3x square plus 6y plus 4 equal to 0, where x and y are variables, 3 and 6 are coefficients, and 4 is constant, and 2 is exponent. Like term, the algebraic terms that contains the same variables, same power, or exponent are called like terms. For example, 2x plus 5x, 2x and 5x are called like terms. Unlike terms, the algebraic terms that contains different variables with same power, exponent, or same variable with different exponent or power are called unlike terms. Example: 8x square plus 7x plus 5, where 8x square, 7x and 5 are unlike terms. Equations: when two algebraic expressions are connected by equality sign, this sign, for example, 2x plus 3 equal to 2y plus 5, 5x minus 12 equal to 6 minus 3y, this is called equations. Inequality: when two algebraic expressions are not equal and are connected by the symbol greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to are called inequalities. For example, 2x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 2x, or 2x minus 3 is less than 5. These expressions are called inequality. Open sentences. Open sentence has variable whose values are not known. A statement or sentence that does not include enough information required to decide whether it is true or false is known as an open statement. For example, 5 plus box equal to 12 and 6 minus box is equal to 2. This is not enough information, and this statement is called an open statement. Closed statement or closed sentences. A mathematical sentence is called a closed sentence if that is known to be either true or false. In 5 plus box equal to 12, if we replace box with the number 7, it becomes true. Similarly, in 6 minus box equal to 2, we can find the value of box. Such type of sentences are called closed sentences. Polynomials, an algebraic expression which consists of one or more than one term where all variables can have only whole numbers as exponent, is known as polynomial. Poly means multiple and nomial means terms. So polynomial means multiple terms. And algebraic expressions are polynomials except those which have negative or fractional exponent. For example, 4x square y plus 5x square plus 7x y x square plus 4x, this is polynomial. And x power 1 upon 2 plus 8 plus 9 upon 2 x power 1 upon 3 plus 4 x minus 1, this is not polynomial. Terms of polynomials. Consider the polynomial 6x cube plus 5x square minus 4x plus 7. It has four terms. 1. 6x cube, 5x square, minus 4x, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are four terms. Here x is variable and 3, 3, 2, 1 are exponents. 6 is the coefficient of x cube, 5 is the coefficient of x square, minus 4 is the coefficient of x, and 7 is called constant. Thank you for watching this video. Stay curious with Math Nexus.